two vertices of a triangle ABC are A and B as shown. Find the equation of line AB. So we want to get the equation of a line. So ili tupata ni equation of a line na tumepewa points ya A and B, kitu ya kwanza tunatafuta ni gradient. So first we need to get the gradient of AB. Gradient of a line is given by change in y over change in where? In x. So let us change our y. Hizi coordinate tukipewa hivi, the first one ni x, ya pili ni y. The first one ni x, ya pili ni y. So now we are changing y, so that is 12 minus 6. Nimeanza na hapa na unaanza tena huko, so itakuwa 7 minus 3. So the gradient is now 12 minus 6 is 6, 7 minus 3 is 4. This is the same as 3, 2 here 3, 2 here 2. So the gradient is 2 over 3 of AB. So once tukishapata gradient, sasa tunachukua one of the point. Tunaweza chukua any point. Tuchukue 3,6 na the general point which is x, y, na gradient yetu ni 3 over 2. Now we can get now, tunajua gradient is equal to change in y over change in x. But the gradient tumepata ni 3 over 2. So tunasema change in y ni y minus 6 divided by x minus 3. And the answer is 3 over 2. Tuna cross multiply, itakuwa 2y minus 12 is equal to 3x. E times e minus e times e itakuwa minus 9. So 2y itakuwa 3x negative 9 plus 12. 2y itakuwa ngapi? Itakuwa 3x plus 3. Finally y, so we divide by 2, so we have y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3 over 2. And that is the equation of line AB. Hiyo ndio equation ya line AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of line AB. So the perpendicular bisector of line AB, hiyo ni line ambayo ina bisect hapa katikati. This line is now perpendicular to AB. We know perpendicular lines, the relationship of their gradient. Lakini before even we do that, we must first get what will be the point here at the midpoint. So we need to get the point here at the center, mahali zina meet. So midpoint tunapeana x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2 inatupea midpoint. Tunajua AB, the first x ni 2 plus the second x which is 7 or 3, not 2. The 3 divided by 2, the y6 plus 12 over 2. So the midpoint is 10 divided by 2 itakuwa 5, 18 divided by 2 itakuwa 9. So the midpoint is 5, 9. Hiyo ndio kitu ya kwanza lazima utafute. Sasa the next thing ni kutafuta the gradient of this line C to the midpoint. Lakini tunajua the gradient of AB. Gradient of AB equal to 3 over 2. So the gradient of the perpendicular line, the relationship is m1 times m2, the answer is negative 1. So the gradient of the perpendicular line is going to be negative 2 over 3. The reciprocal of that, but negative. I hope unajua kutafuta hiyo gradient ingine because of time. Now, once tumepata gradient of this line, now tunaweza tumia the general point xy na hii point tupate the equation of the line because tuko tunataka to find the equation. So we have the point 5, 9, we have x, y, and then we have the gradient negative 2, 3. So change in y minus 9, x minus 5, the answer is negative 2 over 3. you cross multiply 3y minus 27 is equal to negative 2x plus 10. 3y equal to negative 2x, tukua ipande ingine equal 10 plus 27. 3y itakuwa negative 2x plus 37. Divide by both sides by 3. So y is equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 37 over 3. And that is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Given that AC is perpendicular to AB, is perpendicular to AB, so it means this one is perpendicular to AC, and the equation of BC is y is equal to negative 5x plus 47. Find the coordinate of C. Now we want to find the coordinate here of C. Kwa hivyo kama AB na AC are perpendicular, the relationship of the gradient, tunajua gradient ya AB. So gradient ya AC is 2 over 3 negative. Kama hii ni 3 over 2, hii itakuwa hivi. Perpendicular lines, the gradient of perpendicular lines, when you multiply them, the answer should be negative 1. Kama ni hivyo sasa, tuko na point moja, tunaweza pata equation of AC. Equation of AC tutafanya x, y, 3, 6, and then the gradient is negative 3, 2. Y minus 6 over x minus 3, the answer is negative 2 over 3. 3y minus 18 equal to negative 2x plus 6. Like times together, this one is 3y equal to negative 2x plus 24. This one itakuja hapa itakuwa 24. So y equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 8. So this is the equation of line AC. The equation of line AC. Lakini AC sinakutana na BC at the point C. Inamaanisha at this point the value of y is going to be the same. Kwa hivyo tuna equate the equation of y ya hii line na equation of y of this line. So inamaanisha negative 5x plus 47 would be equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 8. This one is going to give us the value of y, of x. Like terms together, hii ni negative ikikuja pande itakuwa negative 5x plus 2 over 3x is equal to 8 minus 47. Hapa tunaenda kuwa na negative. Yeah, this one is going to give us negative 4 1 over 3 is equal to negative 39. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuweka equal property. This is 3 times 4, that is 12, plus 1. Negative unaiacha kando. It is 3 times 4, 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3. Now negative x equal to negative 39. So we can multiply both sides by 3 over negative 13 times 3 over negative 13. This one goes, so x itakuwa hii na hii itakuwa 3. So x is going to be 9. The value of x is 9. So now tuna substitute 9 either in this equation or this one, and we find the value of x. So let us use this. Y would be equal to negative 5 times 9 plus 47. This one is negative 45 plus 47. So y equal to 2. Meaning the coordinate xy, x is 9, y is 2. So C is 9, 2. And you are done. You get your 10 marks. Thank you very much. Find the equation of the locus of points equidistant from the points -1, 3 and 2, 4 in the form of y is equal mx plus this. So a point equidistant, this will be 2 points. So the locus of the equidistant is the midpoint. This is the equation we are looking for of this line. Find the equation of a locus. A locus of a point equidistant is the perpendicular line actually of that line. So for us to get the coordinate here, we have this point here, -1, 3. We have this point here, 2, 4. So first we have to get the midpoint here. How do you get that? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2 will give us the coordinate, which is -1 plus 2 over 2, comma, and then 3 plus 4 over 2. This one gives us the coordinate, which is 0.5, 3.5. The next thing, we have to get the gradient of this line. The gradient of this line is the gradient equal change in y over change in x. That is 4 minus 3 divided by 2 minus -1. It's going to be 1 over 3. So the gradient of this line is 1 over 3. So we want the equation of this line. But this line is perpendicular. Perpendicular lines have the gradient of perpendicular lines m1 times m2. The answer should be -1. So if now I have 1 over 3, then 1 over 3 times m2, the answer should be -1. So 1 over 3 m2 equal to -1. So times 3 over 1 times 3 over 1. Meaning m2 equal to -3. So this is the gradient of this perpendicular line is -3. Now, since we have the point here, we are going to get the equation change in y over change in x, which will give us the gradient y minus 0.3.5 divided by x minus 0.5, the answer is -3. So we are going to have over 1 y minus 3.5 equal to -3 plus 1.5. We take this one that side, so y equal to -3x. Yes, -3x. You take this to this side. This is going to give us 5. And that is the equation of that locus.